You welcome to my channel once again. Today we are making this Zara cap with twisted design attached to it. The materials we are going to use is what I will show you now. Satin fabric, Maco, 1-inch foam, 1-inch foam, and then your scissors, tape measure, matching thread, your tailor's chalk, pins, thread and needle, and then please the measurements we are going to need. Length, the length means your hair circumference, 24 inches, 24 inches, and the width we are going to use 16 inches, 16 inches width. After we've gotten this, we want to measure our Maco. Our Maco, we are going to use 18 inches by 3 inches. The length is 18 and the width we are going to use 3 inches. Put it aside and let's measure the twisted design to the measurements, which the length to we are going to use about 36 inches. Let's use 36 inches length. And then the width we are going to use only 12, meaning when we fold it into 2 we get 6, so the width is 12 inches. Let's bring the first one. Let's sew. You fold it into 2 this way and you notch at the middle. We want to get the middle point of the fabric, and the notch is there to help us know that that is the middle part of our fabric. Then you put your Maco on the wrong side of your fabric, and to do that you have to get the middle part of the Maco too with the help of your tailor's chalk, or you can notch it as well. But I'm using my chalk to give me the middle part of the Maco. Then you place it on top of the wrong side of your satin fabric this way. You fold 1/2 inch at on top of the Maco. Then you fold again this way. You pin it and you sew to the other end. That is all. Then we are going to fold the twisted design to the 12 inches by the 36 inches. We are going to fold it into 2 this way and sew 1/2 inch of it. So let's go to our machine, sew and come back. So please, I'm done sewing and I want to show you how it looks like. Because we don't want the sewing line to show on this one, we are going to flip it so that the sew part, or the line at which the sewing part is, will be at the middle of it. So you pull your fabric this way, you try to pull it this way. When the sewing part is at the middle, then that is all. So you see now you cannot see the sew part again. With the help of your turner, you are going to turn our twisted design fabric into its right side, iron it nicely. Then we are going to insert the foam into it this way. Make sure that the sew part is at the middle. After we sew, we had 5.5 remaining, so we are going to cut the foam, and the foam width is 6 and the length of the foam will be 21 inches. I use 21 inches for it. Then we are going to fold your foam this way, and then you insert it in your fabric this way. After you fix it this way, we are going to attach it to the headband, okay, or the Zara cap. To do that, you make sure that the middle sole part is facing you, okay. Then you pin it, or you pin the edge to your Zara cap. You start or get your thread and needle ready. Start twisting it this way. Then you use your thread and needle to pin it. You use your thread and needle, you pin it till you get to the other side of it, and that's all. So please let me show you how we do it over here. So we are almost getting to the end of it, okay. When you do, you try to fold your Zara cap as if it is already been sewed, okay. Don't leave it long that way. Be folding it as you use your thread and needle to tag them into your desired paste. So let me show you how this one looks like when you put it there. Now you fold it into two this way. Now that you are finished tagging, fold it into two this way and measure your hair circumference, then sew it together. My hair circumference is 22, so 22 divided by 2 will be 11. Then you mark out your 11 inches, you fold to the end, you fold the other one, you sew. Now we want to gather our Zara cap, and let me show you the final results. Once you are done your thread and needle, you are going to gather from the side to the end of it. You are not leaving any space. You are driving from this to the other. I'm done gathering it. To secure the fabric out of it, please kindly pull it with the needle. Use the thread to wrap the needle 2 or 3 times, then pull again. After you tie it, leaving some small thread behind, then you use your hand to fold about 2 to 3 times again. Then that will be all. After you have cut it this way, we want to turn it for you to see the final look of our project. Was this video helpful to you? Was the results worth it? Let me know in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do that so that our next Zara Cap design, you'll be the first person to see. Bye.